this video, I am going to show you how to validate email for free. Now, if you are a complete beginner to email marketing, let me tell you that validating emails mean, let's say you have scraped thousands of emails and then you want to reach out to them uh, to sell your service or to sell your products. Now, if you don't validate the emails and start sending emails from your domain, and if those emails are not good, or let's say the domain does not exist anymore, then what will happen is your email will be bounced. And if your email is bounced, then your domain uh, rating or domain health, it is going to decrease. Domain reputation would be the correct phrase. It is going to decrease. If it decreases, then in the future when you send more emails to people, there is a high chance that your email won't land up in their inbox. It will land in their spam folder or promotion folder. So it is very important that you maintain a good reputation, at least more than 90% for your domain health. So if you search on Google that how can I validate emails, you will get many platforms or SaaS platforms who validate emails for you, but those are pretty expensive. Let's say you are using email marketing platforms such as uh, Twilio, SendGrid, or let's say Go High Level. They offer validation, but uh, I mean it's not included with the primary plan. You have to buy more credits to validate emails, and it's pretty expensive. You can just search on Google. But in this video, I am going to show you how to validate your emails for free. So as you can see on your screen, I have lead list of realtors from Canada, and I am reaching out to them to sell my services. You can see like city, country, email, personal emails, estimated number, first name, last name, what they do. So the data, it has been scraped from Apollo using Apify. If you don't know what this is, what Apollo is, what Apify is, Apollo is basically you can say that a lead generation SaaS platform where there are millions of leads, and you can scrape all those leads. You can use Apify to do that, or also you can buy Apollo's plan and scrape all this data. As you can see, it has their LinkedIn URL, name of the organization, and website of the URL. So let me show you quickly how I am validating those emails. So these are the email list. So let me copy a few of emails and let's validate those for free. So I'm gonna copy around 1000 emails first. There you go. I'm gonna copy those and then I'm gonna paste those in a temporary Excel file. I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna head over to this website called app.lumri.com, and there I'm gonna upload that Excel sheet. I'm gonna choose standard mode. I'm gonna choose validate. and it will start validating those emails one by one. While it is validating, let me show you what I am doing with the lead list that I have. So, yeah, this is the lead list. Oops, this is the lead list. What I'm doing is I want to send them a personalized email, right? It's not a random email where there will be only the first name and last name um, of the person to whom I am reaching out, or only their title or organization name. What I'm gonna do is I have their website URL, and I'm gonna scrape all their website details. What do they do? What are their USP? What are their ideal persona? And all those details I'm gonna summarize it on my Google Sheet. And while sending the email, it is going to be very personalized. Let me show you one example. What do I mean by personalized? Uh, okay, here we go. This is another lead list. Here you can see that I have their website, and from the website I have summarized their business niche or business details. For example, let us take example of this website, macquarie.com. Organization name is Macquarie Group. So in this column you can see these are web summary or the summary of their web page. You can see what are the details I have scraped from their website. All this has been done by the AI agent. It will go to their website, scrape all the data, relevant data that you want, and then insert those into your Google Sheet so that when you are running an email marketing campaign, you can use these details to write a personalized email and also give them, pitch them how you can help their specific service with your specific skill set. Yeah, it is still validating. So let me tell you about this platform. You can validate 1000 emails at a time for free. If you want to validate more than 1000 emails at a time, then you have to take their subscription, and that is around $20 per month. Here you can see good emails, it is 8% is good emails. Risky emails is 740, bad emails is 175. Now we are gonna download this list, but let me tell you that we can send emails to good emails and risky emails as well. But we can't send to bad emails. Bad emails means the domain does not exist, the email does not exist. If you try sending emails to the list of bad emails, it won't land up in their spam folder or their inbox. It is going to be bounced. But for good emails and risky emails, it will be delivered. So let me download and show you how the validated emails look like. Oops, okay, v1 is open, that's why I'm not able to save it. Okay, now I'm gonna download it as v1, save it, yes. Okay, let me open v1 and show you how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, emails, risky, good, bad, bad. Okay, if since this was a blank, it is automatically returning bad. But let me show you one email that is not bad, sorry, not blank, but still it came as bad. So we should not send emails to those email addresses. Okay, I am not able to find any bad emails. That is really good. Okay, that means I have a good email list. If it is risky, we can send it. No issues with that. And you can also see there is another column, that is catch all. Catch all means, let's say you are sending an email to a particular domain, let's say sales at aimammoth.com. Now, if catch all is yes, that means, let's say by mistake you have sent the emails to uh, marketing at aimammoth.com, and let's say that email does not exist, but still the email will be delivered to sales at aimammoth.com. That is what catch all yes means. Even if the email ID does not exist, but the domain is right after at the rate, the emails will be delivered to those email inbox. That is what catch all means. Okay, so now since I have got the list of validated emails, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna copy it, and I am gonna paste it here. Yeah, I'm gonna write email health, and I'm gonna write catch all. Okay, so the next process is I'm gonna retarget these people using my AI agent. Let me show you what do I mean by AI agent. So this is the AI agent I am using to send emails, personalized emails to them. So this is the Google sheet that I have shown you, that looks something like this. Yeah, and then from here I'm basically scraping those data using this one. This is HTTP request node. uh, what it is doing is it is going to each website, these websites, and scraping a particular number of pages, and then after scraping using this loop, with the help of AI agent and Google Gemini chat model, I am summarizing each page, and after I am done summarizing all the pages, it is going to annotate, sorry, not annotate, append those pages, so I get the summary of the whole website, and then I am using another AI agent to summarize the whole website and update on my Google Sheet. So let me know if you want me to uh, make another video explaining how you can set up an N8N node like this, which will help you uh, personalize your uh, email list, your lead list, and it will also enhance your chances of success. Thank you.